Welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to create this beautiful text with the help of the geometry node, and here you can see I create the three different collections like apple, bananas and lemons to fill this text as any object which you want. And if here I change this to the lemon, and here you can see the changing, and here if I change this to the bananas, then you can see the nice, and back to the apples, and here you can see the nice. And I also create in shading, and here I select the apples, and this is the procedural materials of apple which I create, and you can also find the bananas and lemon along with the object. And if you want to find this file, then you can check out the Patreons, where you can find a lot of procedural stuff with along these procedural materials and many more. So open the Blender, and here in geometry node workspace, here I add any object, say plane, and hit the new geometry node, and here I delete this group input, and here I search for the node which is the string to curve node. Beautiful. And put it into this, and here I type BT, which means Blender tips. Nice. And here I rotate this along x-axis to 90 degree, and here also select the center, and here I also select the middle, and here I also select the midpoint. Beautiful. Now I increase the size of this text, something like 20 meter, and remain all the settings same. And here I chose the font. Here I search for the Calibri font, Calibri bold font, and apply to this text. Beautiful. And now here I search for the fill curve node, and put it here. Beautiful. And also search for the extrude mesh node and place it here. Now it's looking nice. And here you can see the back of the text is empty. To fill this, here I added the node which is the join geometry, and use this value into the join geometry to fill the back of this text. Now it's looking beautiful. Now I search the node which is the mesh to volume, node, and place it here. Move this node here, and here I also add the node which is the realize instances, and put it here. Beautiful. And here I increase the density up to the 30. Now it's looking beautiful. And here I add another node which is the distribute point in volume. Distribute points in volume, and here you can see the changings, and here I increase the density. I think 12 is best. Beautiful. Select this to see, and here I search for the node which is the instance on point, and before instance on point, here I search the node which is the merge by distance. and they remain at the same value because the points are not intersect or collide with each other. And now here I search for the node which is the instance on point. By pressing Shift A, search for the instance on point and put it here. And here you can see there are 3 different collections: apples, bananas, and lemons. And you can add anything you want. And here I drag this apple collection and place it here. And now connect this collection info with the instance, and here you can see the magic. And here I pick this pick instances, separate children, and also the reset children. And here I want to add the random rotation of these apples. So here I search for the node which is the random value node and place it here, and put it into the rotation. And here I put the value which is the -3, and also scale down these apple size, and here I put 0.330 in my case. And here you can see the nice text in Blender with the help of geometry node. And by the way, you can choose any selection. These are all of my procedural material with procedural objects like apple, bananas, and lemons. And by the way, if you want to check out the Patreon where you can find this file along with all of these 3 procedural materials. And here you can select any object, any collection you want, and here you can see the magic. And also select the lemon to see the changings, and here you can see. So in this way, by using the geometry node, you can create any text and fill this text with the collection or object. And this is the totally non-destructive. And here I again select the apples, which is looking nice. And this is the totally non-destructive. And here you can type anything you want. Something like here I type Blender. And here you can see the changing. The text is mixed with each other. And here in the this setting, mesh to volume, distribute point and faces, and merge by distance, you can choose the different value to set in your case. So in this video, you can create this beautiful text. Thanks for watching.